If you're interested in how I got achieved this look, make sure you stay to the end of the video, and I will show you exactly how I got from start to finish on this look. Hey y'all, welcome back to Lovebrittnyj. As you can tell by the title, I'll be doing my go-to hairstyle when I don't have the time nor the coins to get my own hair done. So I'm gonna go show you a quick and easy top bun that I do for myself. So what you'll need, you need some edge control. I use Gorilla Snot for some reason. I just use the Gorilla Snot if I don't have it to slick my hair down. Then I'll need some Eco Styler gel. Any kind if you want, it's up to you. Some leave-in conditioner and some edge control, because my head is hard to slick down, so I have to use all of this, to be honest. A wide tooth comb, freshly washed hair if you haven't, or some clean hair, or it could be dirty. It's up to you, basically. And also you will need some hair. I have this hair. This is like my go-to type of hair, but this hair is like, I think it's something African something, but this hair I use because it's kind of color texture of hair, so it helps when it comes to blending everything in. So this is the type of hair I'm using. Then you'll need hair ties. I have one. This is one of them, and then I have two. So with that being said, first I'm going to show you how I make my ponytail. So basically, you have the hair. It's whatever hair you prefer, basically. That you prefer to use, but I would suggest hair that's closer to your hair type, so it'll look best, it'll blend in well. And I might insert a picture of me looking with this hairstyle too at the same time, because when I tell y'all this is my go-to hairstyle, it's my go-to hairstyle. So you're gonna take this hair tie, you're gonna put it in between the half mark of your hair. Put it in between your half mark of your hair. Then you're gonna grab and pull over. Grab and pull over and just pull in. And this gives you a I guess a string to where you can tie it on top of your ponytail holder. So once you make this little knot, this is the part that's gonna go into your ponytail when you slick your hair back down. Okay? So that's to tell y'all, before we get into this video even more, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified. And I thank you for continuing to rock with my channel. And also, you still have time to enter the 100 subscriber giveaway. The link will be down in the description box, as well as I'm going to tag it right here so you can enter that once you're done with this video. But make sure you like it. Alright, so for the start, I'm just going to get all my stuff that I need to slick my hair down, basically. But I'm going to start with some leave-in conditioner. First off, I probably put too much in my hand, but I'm going to put some in my hair. By the way, my hair has just been washed, so it's not, I was like, this is a good hairstyle right now. Since we're in quarantine, I refuse to let my hair and myself go at this time, just because we're in quarantine. I feel like we still should take care of ourselves no matter what. And then also, it's an easy hairstyle, and I know like a lot of stylists are taking heed too, as well as customers as well, when it comes to making sure that we stay in quarantine. So with that being said, I put in my leave-in conditioner. I make sure I drench my whole head, and I got my edges because that's where I like it to go. All right, so after that, now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel, try to slick my hair up. I want a top bun, but sometimes I go for a side bun too. But today I'm going to show you how I do my top bun. So taking the Eco Styler gel, put it on the back of my head too. Just make my way around, basically. It's kind of hard with my hair. I don't really use a brush, use a comb, to be honest, to get my hair where I need it to go. And it kind of works at the same time once I, gel everything down and stuff like that. And then also, my finishing touch, avocado oil, basically. So I use this. I'm gonna put a little bit here, and then I put some. I'm gonna put some oil in my head as well. because it gotta stay moisturized. And this is a good protective hairstyle as well when you don't, you know, like I said, trying to prevent from using heat and stuff like that. So it's a good protective hairstyle as well for my natural girls out there. And by the way, I am 4C. So I'm just gonna start at the top, combing out those hairs, and just, like I said, I refuse to let myself go during this quarantine hour or day. So this is, like I said, it's a good hairstyle to do, and it's super easy and quick. So like I said, I'm just gonna slick everything back and keep it down. So it's pretty easy to get your hair where you need it to go. Yeah, like I said, it's really easy to get your hair where you need it to go once you slick it all the way down. And then I'm gonna use some edge control as well, because this is the Shining Jam. I'm gonna use some of this just to get my edges where I needed it to go to. And like I said, my hair, like, shrinkage is real, because this is like a length check right here. This is my hair, but you would think that, you know, it's short because of my texture of hair, but like I said, shrinkage is real. So I'm just gonna use my comb. For some reason, I don't know where my brush is. I have a brush, but I just don't know where it's at. So I didn't really, you know, make a big deal about it, since I couldn't find it. So, but this comb is gonna work well as my hair is really just slicking down, so I really won't need a brush like I usually would. So come through edges, okay. Real simple, real easy. Okay, here, take this, put it on my hair, and make a ponytail. Now, granted, it might come loose. It might not be as tight as you want it to be. You just need something to make it where your other hair tie can connect to it. So it doesn't have to be like solid tight. It doesn't have to all be put into one thing, because you can tell, like, it's not all the way slick like I wanted to. But if my hair was more hold on, let's see. Let's try this one more time. Put my hair out more so it can stick down more, since it's stretched out a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to slick this down, and I'm trying to make sure my hair is coming to the front of my head and not more so to the back, because I want it to be a top bun. My hair tie, bring it around twice, bring it around again and again, and there you go. Like I said, it doesn't have to be in your bun like you need it to be. It's just enough to where your other tie can connect to it when you go to make your bun. All right, so that's how it is. That's how it looks. Now I'm gonna make sure I slick my edges down. Get them baby hairs. They be quick. They be quick to roll up. Because of the fact that my hair is like 4C, it's kind of hard for me to find a right gel or edge control to get my hair as slick as possible. But as you can tell, it's slick enough so you can see the back and stuff. Back to the ponytail. I'm trying to get as slick as down as possible. Now I want to use a little bit of this Gorilla Snap. See if that works. If not, then I'm just gonna stick to what I know. So yeah, I have not been out the house since, I don't know. Well, I've been going out, but I haven't been going out like into large crowds and stuff like that. So it's not bad. I've been trying to keep myself busy, as well as I have school and I'm working from home. So that's it's a blessing to have to be able to work from home and not worry about you know, exposing myself or my family to the coronavirus, basically. So I'm just gonna add some more Eco Style gel. So I've been going to school. I actually have 2 tests that's coming up soon. Well, I have tests and homework that's due on Tuesday. So I've been studying for that. And then I have a test next Wednesday as well. So it's going to be a busy weekend. But I know I can get through it. And I know you all also can get through it. And just make sure you stay safe. And, all right, that's the best I can do with my edges. I'm going to try to use this comb, slick it down a little bit more. Can do a lot of stuff. It can slick your edges on and it can detangle your hair. So FYI with that. So now since my hair is slick the best that I can, I don't know what my scarf is, but I usually tie a scarf around so I can set my edges or my slick back a little bit more, but I can't find it. But that's what if you're not going out like as soon as you do the slick back bun, you could just take a little scarf, tie it around, let it set for like 5 minutes before you go out, and then it should be slick. It should be slicked down enough to where, you know, you'll be ready to go, basically. But I don't know where my scarf is. This is just optional if you are not in a rush. But if you're in a rush, I mean, just try to slick it down as best you can. And then also you can put your little scarf on before you go outside too if you're in a rush. And then when you get to your event or whatever, you can just take it off. Now, disclaimer, I'm not a beautician or anything like that. This is me just coming up, like, this is my go-to hairstyle, like I said. So this is just me, my hairstyle that I would definitely do on a daily basis if I could not get my hair done. This is something I would do. So thought I should share it with you guys, especially since it's, like I said, quarantine time. I want to show you guys. And then a lot of my friends asked me how I do my hair like this video, and I never did. So this is my time to do it. And I'm letting you guys know how you do it. You get it right. Okay, so this is the best I could do with the slick side. So you can tell that my hair is slick down. My edges are slick too. And this is my top bun. Alright, so now you're going to take your elastic part. Like I said, this part does not have to be perfect. It just has to be tied enough to where you can use this as a hook, basically. So I'm just going to tie this around my head. I usually tie it around like twice. And it's set. So now when you pull the twist inward. And then I'm going to wrap around my real hair. Now, granted, you don't really have to tuck your hair in, but as I go around, I try to tuck my real hair in so it can be undetectable and twisted. So and then you just tuck your hairs in if you want. I mean, it stays, so you don't really need bobby pins, but if you feel like it might fall away or fall down or something like that, I would suggest get bobby pins. But this is how it looks. This is like I said, this is my go-to hairstyle. See, like I told you, my edges, they don't like to stay around. They don't like to stay down. And I've been, like, when I tell you I've been through every so there is, I'm telling you, I've been through all of them. And it still doesn't lay down. But comment down below if you know of a good edge control for 4C hair that can lay these edges down, because sis is struggling over here. But I hope you liked this video. And if you did, I'm gonna take some pictures. So this is how it looks. I get this one baby hair. You know what? I'm about to twirl this thing and it's gonna come down. See, I can't even get my curl right. That's how stubborn my hair is. Nope. And you can make it bigger or smaller. It's up to you how you like your buns, but this is how I like mine for now. But sometimes I make it bigger. It just depends on the day and the occasion. And then, like I said, you can make it to where you can put it to the side, to the back side of your head. You can be a top bun. It's definitely up to you. And this is a good hairstyle for people like myself that hair is, it shrinks a lot, like 4C hair. It's a good hairstyle to do, you know, when you don't have when shrinkage is taking over your life basically. So this is a good hairstyle to do. This is the side. This is the back.
Okay, come through blending.
Quick,
Yeah.
easy, simple hairstyle to do. If your edges sit right, you're gonna be good to go, sis. But as you can tell, mine really don't be sitting right like I want it to. So like I said, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified, and stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.